Hi, in this video we are going to see huge assistant professor vacancies notification from the 4 different state government university affiliated colleges, and here the opportunities are there to the candidates without UGC NET or else with UGC NET also opportunities are there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty job notifications in the private colleges. To get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. So here the first one is PSR Engineering College. So it is an autonomous institution guys, affiliated to Anna University. So here wanted assistant professor, associate as well as the professor vacancies are there, and the qualification ME or MTech or PhD with first class in UG and PG, or else the MSc or MPhil or PhD for humanities and sciences. And coming to the departments are civil, ECE, CSC, EEE and biomedical, physics, chemistry, maths and English. Okay, so these are the departments. So from these departments, assistant, associate as well as professor vacancies are announced from this college guys. And coming to the lab technician posts are also there. And that the qualification required here are diploma or BSc or BE, CSC, ECE, EEE, civil, mechanical, biomedical, biotech, physics or chemistry. So in these departments, the lab technician posts are there. So if you are having the diploma or else if you are having the graduation in the respective discipline with first class or else the second class also, you may apply to this post. And the clerk vacancy is also there. So any degree with computer knowledge and office assistant 12th standard. Okay. So these are the vacancies from the PSR Engineering College. And coming to the PSR Arts and Science College, it is affiliated to Madurai Kamaraj University. So assistant professor vacancies are there, and the qualification is MBA with the PhD, preferably NET or SET or SLET holders. And coming to the department, BBA and costume design and fashion technology. Right. So the candidates who are eligible and interested in these advertisement or else in these vacant positions, the attractive salary will be offered, and you have to apply on or before 5th May 2021. Simply you have to send your resume to this mentioned address. Okay, and here the contact numbers are given here. You may check down. If you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, then you may contact these numbers, and here the mail IDs are separately given here. So please send your send your resume to this provided mail ID. For engineering one, careers@psr.edu.in, and while coming to the arts, psrasc@gmail.com. Okay, so and while coming to the mobile number 80125-31321. So if you are having any queries, then please confirm your queries with this provided contact number guys, and you may send your resume to this provided mail IDs. Okay, and coming to the, so here the 2 colleges are there, and coming to the next colleges, Kavita's College of Arts and Science. So wanted assistant professor for English, BBA, BCom CA, botany and zoology, and salary as per the college norm. So apply by email within a week. So if you are having the only post graduation in this department or else with UGC NET also, then you may apply this. So you have to simply send your resume to here to the provided mail ID, that is kavitascollege@gmail.com, and here the contact number is also mentioned. So if you are having any queries regarding this notification, then you may contact to these numbers guys. Okay, and coming to the next college is Yashwantrao Chavan Arts, Commerce, Science College. Okay, so Bhandara, and here the few assistant professor vacancies are there. Okay, full time. The subjects are history, political science, commerce, maths, zoology, botany, microbiology, Pali and Prakrit, Marathi, sociology, economics and geography. So from these departments, the different assistant professor vacancies are there. And coming to the essential qualifications, the candidate must have the post graduation in these departments with 55% as well as the UGC NET qualification must be there. NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. So those are the qualifications, and somehow the relaxation of 5% is provided based upon the caste category in the marks of the post graduation. So the application may be made on a plain paper. Just wait, I will zoom guys. Yeah, you may check down here. The application may be made on a plain paper or prescribed pro forma and addressed to the principal or dean or director on the address given below on or before 13th May 2021 along with the crossed postal order of 100 rupees drawn in the favor of principal or dean or director and certified copies of relevant certificates or testimonials towards substantiation of eligibility in terms of academic qualification. And if you are already working at somewhere, you have to bring the no objection certificate. Okay, so here the selection process will be directly based upon the interview guys. Fine. So it is a one college. And coming to the another college is Govindrao Mahavidyalaya from Wardha. So here the commerce 2 assistant professor vacancies are there full time, and eligibility conditions are the same thing. Okay, the candidate must have the 55% in the post graduation as well as the UG Senate or SLET qualification must be there, and the 5% relaxation is available based upon the caste category in the marks of the post graduation, and the application may be made on a plain paper or prescribed pro forma and addressed to the principal or dean or director on the address given below on or dated before 2nd May 2021 along with the crossed postal order of 100 rupees drawn in favor of principal or dean or director and certified copies of relevant certificates or testimonials towards substantiation of eligibility in terms of academic qualification. So here the complete address is given here. You may check down. Okay, and if you are working already, then you have to put the no objection certificate. Okay guys, and here the last date is May 2nd 2021. Fine. So total these are the different assistant professor job vacancies guys. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the assistant professor or else a faculty job vacancies in the different private colleges guys. It will be very helpful to them. Okay, and for more notifications please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UG Senate candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay, And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide